Mobile miner 40 volts cuts, scales, loads, and bolts simultaneously. This reduces the number of operations needed. Which, in the end, increases the excavation rate and productivity. This machine utilizes mechanical rock cutting, a continuous excavation method. Among the benefits of mechanical rock excavation is a safer and cleaner working environment. A professional driver uses FMG Evolo snow plow to open a forest road with 70 centimeters deep snow. Evolo 350 is designed as a multi-purpose articulated plow. That suits challenging conditions and deep snow. The Tatra 815-7 is a heavy army logistics vehicle made by the Czech company Tatra. Produced since 2008, with axle variations of 4x4, 6x6, 8x8 and 10x10. Several armored transporters were built on the chassis of the Tatra 815-7. Tatra 815-7 serves in the Army of the Czech Republic and the Slovak Armed Forces. Tatra 815-7 is also used as mobile cranes and fire trucks in the civilian sectors. The unloading of wood chips at sea and vest is being done with a 50 cbm NEMAGBV cactus grab. And a Liebherr 550 mobile harbor crane. Wood chips are a real low-density dry bulk good, with a density of 0.33. Demolition grapples consist of a main frame connected to 2 or more tines, operated by hydraulic cylinders. They are put in motion by the hydraulic circuit of the machine on which they are installed. They can be used for loading and handling a large variety of materials. It's powerful enough to pull out pieces of metal and turn them into manageable debris. They are useful where controlled demolition and separation of waste must be processed. The parallel metal ribs give the jaws a high structural strength while ensuring the operator great visibility. ChemSolid is KEMROC's process for soil stabilization and ground improvement. A central element is the KSI trencher attachment mounted on a standard excavator. The trencher is designed with the power and strength to dig in even the toughest, rocky soil types. The easy-to-use trencher attachment is built for improved trench digging and reliability. The Mary Pete MJK 350 DTG is a farm tractor attachment developed and manufactured by SUOKONE. And well suited both for clearing new bogs and maintaining old ones. You can also use the machinery to make agricultural fields on bog-based land. With it, production areas can be reshaped into an optimal form. To keep the areas dry even during rainy summers. The KOMAR Auger Pack M60 watts is a processing machine that shreds industrial wood waste. The mass and shape of the cast flights increase overall strength and durability. while providing more efficient material delivery to the receiving container. Built for heavy-duty digging and hauling, excavators can boost your team's efficiency and productivity while lowering your operating costs. Available in various types and sizes, excavators can help break ground. Digging trenches, lifting heavy materials, or even pushing huge boulders down a slope. A car crusher is an industrial device used to reduce the dimensions of derelict cars before transport for recycling. There are several types of car crushers. This one is a pancake, where a huge descending hydraulically powered plate flattens the car. The car scraps are flattened into dimensions of 6 inches tall by 5 to 6 feet wide. The mobile service complexes allow reducing the downtime of mining enterprises. It's operated by one driver and can service up to 5 plants within a results of 250 kilometers. It takes 60 minutes to change one 40 or 57 tire and 90 minutes to change a pair of rear tires.